Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. I am Mark Gabriel Dalagon, B Scream 3C. I'm here to introduce the parts and function of the car. Wood is used to protect the engine and the, ma- the other parts of machine in the vehicle. Wiper is used to clean the dust and the water in the rain. Side mirror is used to see behind your car. Brake light is used to signal at the see if you're back the car. Door is used to open and when you go inside of the car. Steering wheel. Steering wheel is used to turn left and right and go forward. Rear mirror is used to see at the back of your car. Brake. Handbrake is used to brake especially when you go parking. Gear. Hand gear is used to change the gear and to run the car. Clutch is used to change the gear. Brake is used to slowly and brake the car. Accelerator is used to move and to go faster the car. That's all. The parts and function of the car. Thank you.